Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking this old bookcase and turning it into my indoor garden. So let's get started. Here I am just starting off the painting. This ended up taking 2 full coats with a 3rd coat touch-up in some spots. I am only painting the sides and shelves. I'm leaving the back, as you'll see in a little bit, for peel and stick wallpaper. So here I'm just doing a coat of paint. I'm using Himalayan Salt is the color. Okay, so now I am doing the peel and stick wallpaper. I am using some just Posterboard to attach, so it had a little bit more substance. It was a little sturdier. I'm taking my X-Acto knife to the corners so there's no overflow, and just sealing it down with my little, I don't know what that smoother, I don't know what it's called, but that's what I'm doing, and I did this for all of the shelves. And this is what it looked like after I just added all of the Posterboard to the shelves. Okay, now I am prepping all of the soil. This I had already in these containers. They're super duper dry, so I'm moistening them all down and working all of the water through. And for these, I am doing an herb garden. So this is parsley, basil, and chives. Next up is my tea garden. I don't know if you know this, but I'm obsessed with tea, and so I thought I would make my own and grow my own. So there's chamomile, echinacea, I think I'm saying that right, lavender, and a few other herbs that I'm growing. So I just moistened the soil, and now I am adding the seeds. Last but not least, this is my veggies that I'm starting. So it is still winter here, and I kind of go slow on this. So I do this once a week, but I'm doing some peas, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and a few different types of lettuce in this batch. I'm going to keep doing this each week with different veggies and some of the same, because we do go through a lot of veggies. As you can see, I'm doing 3 different types of peas, some shelling and some just sweet snap peas that we can just eat off the vine. We love them and go through a lot of them. Here is the final reveal, I guess. So as you can see, different plants out of the bed. We have growing lights attached to the top, and I use double-sided tape right in there. And here I just place the peel and stick wallpaper to Posterboard, and then placed it. It's just placed in there because it's snug enough. And then this one, there we go. I did drill some holes. I know it looks a little grody, but sorry, I got all foggy. Okay. So I could wire everything, or thread the wires. So there we go. And each one has its own growing light. I only have them on where there's seeds. So like this one down here, I don't turn on because it's not needed. But I do have everything threaded through back here because the outlet is right behind this one. And then I have some seeds stored, and my propagation, I don't know, what do you call that stuff? I'm sorry, take root. This helps with propagating. Some tools. And then in here I have more seeds, and then dirt is stored in here. So everything works out just in this corner. So I'm really excited. So in a couple of days we should see some sprouting. So these are some seeds. This is my tea garden. I planted lettuce in here, and then herbs in these, and then of course my watering can. So this is my inexpensive indoor garden, or growing system, or whatever. I hope you enjoyed.